Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today, we are gonna react to a family band from Cebu, no? Na nagko-cover daw ng rock music. So tinry ko siyang i-search kasi doon sa request na nakita natin sa comment, walang pangalan mismo ng banda. But I was able to find the family band kasi mukhang they're very popular. So, one of the requested song na na-cover nga nila is yung Highway Star by Deep Purple. No? So, I mean, sabi kasi sa request is like, it's a literal family band, no? Na tumutugtog pati yung mga anak, like mga bata, ganyan. So, and they're gonna cover Highway Star? I don't think buhay na yung mga anak niya or mga anak nila, no? Sa pamilyang to, during ng time na nilabas tong kantang to, no? But let's see, no? Let's see. I'm really excited with this, man. I'm really excited with this. Pangalan ng banda nila is Missioned Souls. Without further ado, man, let's get it. Oh, man. Umpisa pa lang ng video na meron tayong bata na nagda-drums. Wow. To a Highway Star, no? Oh, bata sila lahat. Okay.
Nobody gonna take my car, I'm gonna race it to the
Ground.
Nobody gonna beat my car, it's gonna break the speed of
Sound. Oh, it's a killing machine. You got everything. No. Are you fucking kidding me, man? I mean, alam ko na talentado ang mga Pilipino, no? But, damn. I mean, kung makikita mo itong mga batang to no, sa daan na maglalakad, hindi mo iisipin na kito sila ka-talented, no? Shit. Itong batang to na nagda-drums, during that time, nung bata pa ako, naglalaro lang ako ng Jolin tsaka ng Tex. No? Wala akong alam sa mga ganito. Man.
Gonna race it to the ground. Nobody gonna beat my car, it's gonna break the speed of sound. Ooh, it's a killing machine. It's got everything. Driving power, big fat tires and everything. I love it. I need it. I bleed it.
I mean, we all get it, no? Bata pa kasi yung kumakanta, no? So, hindi pa ganun ka yung niya, yung vocals niya, no? Hindi pa ganun ka, ano sabihin to? Kataas, no? Mas ganun ka buo. Yung tamang amount ng pagiging graspy ng voice or, pagiging mas matinis pa. Most probably, mas magmamatured pa yung boses niya in the future. But, he's singing this song while playing the guitar, man.
Yeah, it's a wild hurricane. Alright, hold tight.
I'm a
highway star. Nobody gonna take my girl. I'm gonna keep her to the end.
Hey.
Nobody gonna take my girl. She stays close on every bend. Ooh, she's a
This
killing
kid is
machine.
killing it.
She got everything.
Oh, man.
Moving mound, body controlling everything. I love her. I need her. I see her. Yeah, she turns me on. Alright, hold tight. I'm a highway star.
No, 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 no. This kid, ito, pag lumaki pa 'to, alam ng, oh man, they're gonna dominate the, ano, no, rock scene sa Pilipinas. Imagine, no? Puro babae, tapos isang drummer na lalaki, tapos pamilya kayo. No, parang The Carpenters and the thing, no? But, more rock version. Ah. Okay, so we have, the bass guitarist na babae doing the piano solo. Okay. Oh, fuck. Oh, man. Mas marami pa yung talent nila, no? Paano ba sabihin to? Hindi na ako makapagsalita. I feel like mas marami pa yung talent nila, no? Paano ba sabihin to? Mas marami pa yung talent nila kaysa sa akin, sa edad nila. Ah, fuck, man.
Nobody gonna take my head. I got a speed inside my brain. Nobody gonna steal my head now that I'm on the road again. Ooh, it's a killing machine. It's got everything. Like a moving ground, open road and everything.
Oh, man. The drummer kid, man. He's killing it. Shit, man. I mean, kung sino may magulang nito, itong apat na to, I mean, super proud siguro sila. Siguro? Siguro? Ganon? Hindi ka na makapagsalita? Siguro sila, no? Kailangan mas, ano ba, na-feature na ba sila sa Philippine television? Ha? They need to be featured, man. God damn! Oh, man! My fucking God, man. Parang wala lang, no? Parang wala lang. Man, no? Tinapos siya yung solo na yun na parang wala lang. No?
Nobody gonna take my car, I'm gonna race it to the ground. Nobody gonna beat my car, it's gonna break the speed of sound. Ooh, it's a killing machine.
Look at that innocent smile, man. Look at this.
Killing machine.
Look at that innocent smile. Right? Di makakalaki na tumutugtog sila ng Highway Star. What the hell? Kung titingnan mo to, no, itong frame lang na to, no? For example, hindi natin napainggan yung kanta, itong frame lang na to. Akala mo, para silang yung mga banda sa, like, maybe, mga nagsistart pa lang na banda, na nagka-practice, right? Hindi pa ganun kagaling, no? Like, ini-enjoy lang muna nila yung instrument kasi hindi pa nila alam pa talaga kung paano gamitin, something like that. But, man,
It's got everything. The good driving power, big fat tires and everything. I love it. I need it. I see it. Yeah, it's a wild hurricane. Alright, hold tight. I'm a highway star. I'm a highway star. I'm a highway star.
what the hell? Oh man, hindi kayo pwedeng gumawa ng post sa akin na, ganyan. Okay. Tapos na yung assignment namin. Parang, what the hell? Oh man. That's fucking insane. Tala mo yung drummer kayo na gano'n pa siya. Hawak yung drumstick. Na parang, alam mo yun, parang, parang katapos na ng PE, no? Alam mo, nag-PE lang eh. Oh, shit. That is Mission Soul. Cover Highway Star by Deep Purple. I don't know how to move on, no? After that. I need to watch more. I need to watch more. But yeah, I mean, that is our reaction for today. Man, sobrang talented, no? Punong-puno ng talento yung pinanood natin ngayong araw. But I hope you guys enjoyed that, no? Because I fucking enjoyed that so much. But that's our reaction for today. If you want me to react to your favorite artist, singer, rapper, song, and get out in that, just comment down below. And yep, see you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Peace.